Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about the heart and the different areas of the heart. Now, with that, there are a couple different important parts that we need to learn about the heart, including some basic ideas with it. Now, with that in mind, the first major and important idea with the heart is that the heart is divided into two sections, the right side and the left side. The left side of the heart pumps oxygenated blood out to the rest of the body, whereas the right side pulls and pumps deoxygenated blood up and into the lungs so that you can get oxygen for the rest of your body. Now, with that, we're going to now talk about the different parts of the heart, starting with the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, which are located here. The inferior vena cava pumps blood from the bottom part of your body up into the superior vena cava, which pumps blood from the rest of your body down into your heart. Now, with that, the superior vena cava is connected to the right atrium, which is located here. The right atrium is connected through the tricuspid valve, which is here, and is then connected to the right ventricle, which is here. The right ventricle is connected to the pulmonary artery through the pulmonary valve, which is located here. And, right here, sorry. And the pulmonary artery is up here, and blood gets pumped up both to the right and left lungs through the pulmonary artery. They then gather oxygen for the blood and is pushed back through the pulmonary veins here, 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 and here. The pulmonary veins connect with the left atrium, which is located here, and the left atrium is connected through the mitral valve, which is here, to the left ventricle, which is right here. The left ventricle is connected through the aortic valve, which is here, to the aorta, which is up here. Alright, so now we're going to talk about the pathway of blood. The pathway of blood starts down here at the inferior vena cava, going up to the superior vena cava, or from the superior vena cava, no matter what, and blood gets pushed down through the superior vena cava down into the right atrium. The right atrium then pushes blood through to the right ventricle, which then pushes blood from there up through into the pulmonary arteries, which transport blood to, you guessed it, the lungs. The lungs then take the blood and connect oxygen with them and send the blood back into the heart through the pulmonary veins. The pulmonary veins then take the blood and push it down into the left atrium, which, as you know, is right here. The blood from here then gets pushed down into the left ventricle. The left ventricle then takes the blood and pushes it up through into the aorta, and the aorta then pushes the blood out to the rest of the body, going through these three top valves to your upper body and the lower valve to the rest of the body. This is important to know for the pathway of blood, so that you will be able to breathe, then be able to provide oxygen for your entire body. This has been your Heart Anatomy 101, and learning this is very important for any basic physiology. Thank you. Take care.